This is part 2 of my spring twist installation video for fine natural hair. Many women with fine natural hair, like myself, who have fine hair hereditarily or because they suffer from an autoimmune illness like I do, think you can't wear protective styles or crochet braids especially. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate that you can, and I hope you enjoy it. Each day, I begin my morning routine, which for me includes a cup of turmeric tea or coffee with just a little bit of hazelnut. I'm a sucker for that. Then I begin doing my hair and makeup. So today I'm removing my big beautiful bonnet. I found this on Amazon. I'll create a link below. But I love this bonnet because it keeps my hair in such great condition. When I'm wearing crochet braids, it keeps each of the strands beautifully and frizz-free, as you can see here. And when I wear my wash and goes, twist outs, or other hairstyles, it helps to preserve them and to keep that hair moist as well. Overall, the hair is in great condition. A few strands were twisted, but that was no big deal. I'm really excited to begin styling this hair. It's so gorgeous. So today I'm going to attempt a style I never thought I'd be able to wear as a fine-haired natural. I always shied away from wearing braids, twists, or styles of that nature because I feared the scalpiness would be oh so apparent. If you have fine hair, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But as you can see here, that is not a problem. So I'm going to create a high bun, sectioning off the front of my hair, then twisting it around on itself to create a bun, which I'll bobby pin in place. I'm taking care to minimally edit the styling portion of this video for this style and a few styles you'll see at the end of this video because you guys told me you wanted to see the steps. So I hope you find this to be helpful. Okay, so I am dressed, put a little lip gloss on, a little lotion on the face, that kind of thing. And I'm gonna go out and run my errands. But one thing I will say is that I felt the hair kind of on my skin, of course, while getting dressed and stuff like that. And I don't feel any irritation at all. And I'm really happy about that. When I put my clothes on, this hair was actually long enough that it stayed in the top bun without like unraveling and stuff like that. For those of you who might be wondering, is this a good length to create multiple styles, especially, you know, half up, half down, or updos just in general? It did stay in place. Nothing came down, so I'm very happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and run my errands and come back just to give you my final thoughts on this hair and how it wore and how I managed it over the course of the day. All right, so I'll see you soon. Okay guys, so I am back. I am so excited to share my final thoughts with you guys about this hair. I actually spent a lot more time out and about today than I anticipated, and I'm actually glad that happened because I got to do things like ordinary things we do, not every day, but that we do in everyday life, like going shopping, trying on different outfits, kind of seeing like, was that going to be a project? Kind of doing that, navigating this hair. getting a feel for how it felt. Like, did it feel natural? Did it not? And then also how other people responded to it was also really interesting. And so I'm really happy to share my final thoughts on this hair. So this is what the hair tag looks like. As you can see, it is the Janet Nala Tress, and this is the spring twist hair. I have the 16-inch in color number 4. All right, so what are the pros and cons of this hair? Well, it feels so natural. Like, it feels natural to the touch. It feels natural, you know, in wearing it. It is not irritating my skin. There's no scratchiness. There's no irritation. None of that. Not on my scalp, and not on my neck, and not on my back. Another big plus to this hair is the loop at the top of each crochet strand. It's really, really well made, and it holds its form when you're trying to install it. A lot of times when you have textured hair like this, it is very difficult to find the loop and then to navigate it while you're installing your hair. And when it is more difficult to work with that loop, it increases your installation time. So the fact that this is fabricated really well and it holds its form is a huge, huge plus in my book. Another real plus for this hair is the fact that it dried really quickly. So as I mentioned during the video, I did pre-treat this hair, and it dried within maybe 4 hours. To me, which is great, because it is very rare that I pre-treat hair and would be able to install it the very same day. So that is a huge plus if you want to be able to treat your hair in the morning and then install it in the evening. This hair is just stunning. Like, this texture is gorgeous. It's so realistic. No two strands look exactly the same. It's bomb. And just going back to how people responded to the hair, they loved it. I have never worn a style like the first day I went out with it and received so many compliments on the hair. I mean, compliments from all different types of people, different ages, different races. It really did not matter. People were really, really loving, you know, and impressed with the quality of this hair. So I was so tempted to say, girl, it's a crochet. In terms of cons, I really don't have any cons at this point with this hair. I absolutely love it. Like, I have not had any negative experience with the hair at this point. I did put 6 packs in, and it doesn't feel like I have 6 packs of hair in my head, and I have fine natural hair. So is this fine hair approved? Absolutely, ladies. It is fine hair approved. There's like no tugging, none of that. I did use a different method to install the hair, in that I used the net you saw. I will give my final thoughts on that after using it a couple of times. It is definitely different, but I'm not sure if I like it more than I like the actual weave net that you guys have seen me install in prior videos. So yeah, I'm going to create a few styles for you guys heading out of this video. I hope you find it to be helpful. If you have any questions, please do leave it in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Don't go nowhere.
Round and round we go, like whoa, we go. Trying to compromise, nobody wants to let go. No, no. Cause we know it's all or nothing, gotta work hard for something. I'd rather be in this fight right here with you. What we have is something special, nothing else compares to the love I feel inside for me and you. Faithfully, promise I will be the you need. Come on, run away with me. Tell me that you never leave. I'll love you faithfully. Damn those eyes, swear that you can see through me, through me. No need to run and hide. You bring out the best in me, in me. Cause we know it's all or nothing. Gotta work hard for something. I'd rather be in this fight right here with you. What we have is something special. Nothing else compares to the love I feel inside for me and you. Faithfully, promise I will be the man you need. Yeah. Faithfully, promise you won't take your heart away from me. Girl, I got what you need. Come on, run away with me. Tell me that you never leave. I'll love you faithfully. Cause we know it's all or nothing. You gotta work hard for something. Rather be in this fight right here with you. What we have is something special. Nothing else compares to the love I feel inside when I'm with you. Yeah. Faithfully, promise I will be the man you need. Yeah. Faithfully, promise you won't take your heart away from me. Girl, I got what you need. Come on, run away with me. Tell me that you never leave. I'll love you faithfully.